Hey everyone, I'm just making this video as an introduction to the startup Forex trading course, and I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that you have decided to at least look into trading Forex, earning extra income from the largest financial market in the world. And it's possible for anyone if you're willing to learn the skills and knowledge that you need to build a business. This is not a get rich quick scheme or any kind of a money game. It's a serious business, and it requires certain skills and knowledge to be able to trade successfully. And I can teach you those skills and knowledge. I am a full-time Forex trader and coach. I'm from the United States. I have lived in Thailand for 30 years. I teach live in Bangkok. I teach online. Sometimes I've had students in Australia, in Laos, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and I'm now putting this course in video format because sometimes my online students or clients cannot or don't have access to good internet connection, and it's hard to maintain consistency. So I've decided to put this course in video format so that you can watch it at your convenience. When you have a good connection, you can review it, rewind it, watch it several times, and absorb the information that way. Now, if you're here starting the course, this is the only introduction that I will make. I just wanted to make this so you can see who I am, a real live person. And the following videos that are contained in the course will be PowerPoint presentations with me speaking during the slides, and you will be able to follow along. If you have found this video, this introduction on YouTube, and you don't know about the course, but you are interested and you would like to get started, you can contact me on my website, rickrayfx.com, www.rickrayfx.com. Just send me a message and I will tell you how to get started with this course. This course will be included on the website. There will be a link for those who have paid for their membership. The course is not expensive. It's very, very affordable for anyone. And so if you're interested, just contact me and I'll tell you how to get started. But if you have already decided to get started, this is the introduction just to let you know who I am, where I am, and that I'm a real live person, and to introduce the course to you. You will find in the following videos all of the information that you need to help you understand how to use the software, how to manage your money, how to make trades on Forex, on the live real-time market, and how to make income from Forex on your own. It will take time. You'll need to practice with a demo account in the beginning, and then you will progress to a live account. And I will start with a basic foundation to help you get set up and set up your template, and I will teach you everything that you need to know about how to manage the software. And then we will go from the basic foundational level to a more detailed level of telling you how to make entries and how to prepare and look for various types of trade setups. And I will include news analysis, exotic currency pairs, the important points that you need to understand about support and resistance, trend lines, many things that you will learn in this startup Forex trading course. So welcome. I'm glad to have you on board. I look forward to getting to know you, and I will add you to my line group, a group of traders where we trade together. I upload daily news analysis, signals for various currency pairs to help you make successful trades, and we chat together and grow together as a community of traders. So welcome to this course. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through the website, or the best way is actually online, which is an application you can have on your smartphone, or you can even have on your desktop. And my line ID is Rick Ray, R-I-C-K-R-A-Y. So enjoy the course. Any questions, let me know, and I will get back to you. And thanks for watching this, and I really look forward to meeting you and trading with you and working with you and helping you become successful. Take care, have a great day wherever you are in the world, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.